Hi guys, I'm Shudu and I'll be taking you through an in-depth tutorial video of how to use BigBasket and its main features. So there are a total of 9 categories on BigBasket, like fruits and vegetables, snacks and branded food, etc. And under each of the major category, you'll find a lot of the other subcategories which can help you customize your preferences and what you want. Yeah. And also you can use the search button to find anything that you want directly without undergoing any sort of problem, without having to go through the hassle of sifting through many products. For example, let's say I want to find Parle-G. So I search for Parle-G, and when I find the Parle-G, the specific type of Parle-G that I want, I click on the add button. And you can also increase the quantity of that by clicking on the plus button on the right side. Also, there are various offers and discounts available which you can avail if you meet the required eligibility criteria. Now you can proceed to checkout after you've got all the products that you want, and now you can proceed to checkout. So you can pay, you can choose the delivery slot that you want according to your work timing, according to your work schedule, according to any priorities that you have in your life. Also, you can change your address based on where you are, whether you're at your friend's place or at your sister's place or your relative's place. Yeah. Now you can proceed to pay. So after you click on proceed to pay, you can link your wallet with many other features like free charge, simple, MobiKwik, etc. Also, you can also apply any other voucher codes, like any other options which you can help decrease the price. And there are also a lot of other payment options like Google Pay, credit card, net banking, UPI, etc., which you can pay through if you have the cards. Also, you can also there are all these other features that are available and which can help you get a better idea. So this is the My Wallet option. You can directly pay for your basket subscription by directly depositing money into the My Wallet button and paying it directly from BigBasket without undergoing any third-party transactions. And this is the Smart Basket option, which has all the products and all the required services that you want and that you need. And all these are important features, but one of the most important is the customer service option, which can help you find any problem or resolve any problems or queries that you have regarding payments, deliveries, etc. Now you have the BigBasket Premium membership, which you can avail if you pay only rupees 300 for 6 months, and it offers a lot of other benefits like successful delivery, no delivery charges, and access to priority slots. Now you can choose to pay through Pay with BBB Wallet. Yeah. The next one is the BigBasket lifestyle option, which you can choose, which you can find a lot of important articles on hair care, skincare, and a lot of lifestyle household stuffs.